Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I created something that is very requested na gawin kong makeup look. It is a peachy makeup glowy look with faux freckles na mukha namang pimple marks. And literally, I have a pimple on my forehead. Hello, pimple! And also in this video, gumamit ako ng BYS products except for false eyelashes. Unfortunately, hindi ako nakabili ng falsies. So guys, if you want to know how I achieved this peachy glowy makeup look plus faux freckles, then just keep on watching. So first, magtatali muna ako ng buhok para walang sagabal when doing our makeup. So guys, let's start. I'm going to start first by putting on primer. Ito yung gagamitin kong primer. It is the BYS Face Primer with Hydrating Pearls. This is a primer and also a moisturizer. So, ganito yung consistency niya. Medyo liquidy siya. There. So, while the primer is setting on my face, what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to fill in my brow. I'm going to use the BYS Brow Gel in the shade Brunette. I won't use the brush that comes with it kasi sobrang liit niya. So, gagamitin ko na lang yung what I normally use when I'm doing my brows. I'm going to dip in and fill in my brows. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to proceed with the foundation. Ang gagamitin kong foundation from the BYS is called the Pure Silk Serum Foundation in the shade True Beige. It's one of the foundations na very smooth and very powdery ang finish niya, which is a good thing for oily skin type of girls like me. So I'm going to put it on my face. So isang drop lang muna. Then I'm going to spread it with my fingers. After that, I'm taking a buffing brush and just buff it in. Okay, next for the concealer, I'm using the BYS All Day Wear Concealer in the shade Natural Beige. Iko-conceal ko yung under eyes ko, which are very dark, as you can see. Yay! And just apply it under my eyes and sa mga areas na gusto kong i-highlight. Then I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. Okay guys, so after you blend the concealer and before proceeding to setting the face with a loose setting powder, I'm again using the brow gel that we used earlier para mag-apply ng faux freckles. And gagamitin ko itong brush na kasama niya and dip it in dito sa brow gel. And mainly, maglalagay tayo ng freckles sa cheek area, malapit sa under eye area, and also the bridge of the nose. I'm just going to tap it in with my fingers. So now that we're done with our faux freckles, isaset na natin yung face natin with a loose powder. I'm going to use this BYS Translucent Loose Powder in Natural and just apply the powder using a brush. After setting your face with a loose powder, next is we're going to do the eye. Okay, bago tayo maglagay ng eyeshadow, I'm going to prime it with the concealer that we used earlier and apply it all over the lids. After setting your eyelids with powder, I'm gonna go ahead and use this eyeshadow palette from BYS. It is called the Peachy Pinks Eyeshadow Palette. And dito sa palette na to, whoa! Oh no! Shit! Man! Okay, starting over, it has 8 shades. Most of them are peaches and pinks. I'll be taking this shade para siyang reddish pink and apply it to my crease. next, I'm going to take this golden shade right here. Para siyang golden coppery shade. And using my ring finger, I'm going to apply it on my lids. So again, taking the brush we used earlier for the crease, I'm just going to blend the two shades together. Okay, after the eyeshadow, I'm going to put on some mascara and I'll be using this BYS Miraculous Lash and just apply it on my lashes. Okay, after mascara, I'm going to put on some false eyelashes, but unfortunately, wala akong nabiling falsies from the BYS. So I'm just going to use a pair from Lash Lab Manila. It's called Gabriela Mink. Mag-a-apply lang ako ng false eyelashes, then I'll be right back. So after applying your lashes, before moving on to the face makeup, I'm just going to finish with the eye makeup. Lalagyan ko lang yung bottom lashes ko ng eyeshadow that we used earlier, itong pinkish red, and just drag it along my lash line. After blending your lower lash line, apply the mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay, now that we're done with our eye makeup, let's proceed with contouring the face. So for contour, I'll be using this kit. It is called the BYS Contour and Highlighting Kit. So for contour, I'll be going with this shade and just contour my face. For the blush, I'm using this BYS Blusher in the shade Nectar. So using an angled brush, I'm going to dip into this blush. Itong blush na to is very pigmented, so you only need one dip and just apply it on my cheeks. Lightly tap it on my cheeks. And also dito sa nose bridge. So, after blush, mag-highlight tayo. Highlight! So, ang gagamitin kong highlight is from the Contour and Highlight Kit. And use this highlighting shade. This is such a blinding highlight. So, ang gagamitin ko for the lips is a liquid lipstick from the BYS. It is called the Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Soft Cashmere. For a more natural looking, I'm going to dab on some of the product to my lips. And using my ring finger, I'm going to spread the product. Because I find it very natural looking when you're doing this technique. I want it to be a little extra sa lips. Okay, so medyo natutuwa ako sa part na to. From the eyeshadow we used earlier, the Peachy Pinks eyeshadow, I'm going to take this light corally shade. And using again my ring finger, I'm going to apply this shade dito sa lips ko. To set everything in place, I'm using this BYS makeup setting spray in matte finish. Shake it and spray it all over my face. So guys, that is it for the look. This video is dedicated to all my girls out there or guys out there who loves doing makeup and loves peachy, glowy looks. And if you learned something from this video, please give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you on the next one. So this, oh my god. Umiyak na naman si Melo. Now for the blush, I'm going to use this BYS Miraculous Lush. That we're done with our faux... Hoy, lamok!